So let's talk about machine learning. The first question is, what is machine learning? I'd like to invite you to consider these impressive applications, such as to build an autonomously driving car that can observe the world and drive itself, and some automatic trading machine that is able to learn something from experience, trading experience, and predict the financial market, try to make money out of it. And some smart machine that can automatically predict whether a medicine would be effective to some kind of conditions or diseases by analyzing the molecular structure of the medicine or some pathogen or causes of the diseases. So what are in common in these applications? Of course, first, we are sure that there are some useful patterns to be discovered from the experience. And that is obviously because from the user's point of view, those systems are smart and they are useful. So perhaps let's consider a counter example. It probably won't be superly useful if you try to build a system that could predict the next day's financial market by the patterns of how your morning coffee blend with the milk, because probably you would agree that there is not much a pattern that links the pattern in your coffee cup and the financial market. In all those cases, they are useful because the smart system are smart for some reason. They could discover the patterns and put them to useful use. Well, the second property of machine learning problems is that generally it is difficult to describe those useful patterns in explicit mathematical formulations. So, for example, if you consider to build something useful from like something that is something that is dead rock, to make it move, to make it reactive, to make it has very complicated pattern of reacting to the outer world, or as sophisticated as something that could travel to other worlds, such as extremely difficult, complicated machines. Those systems have something in common, that they are mechanic, which means for the majority of their function, you would be able to build them from scratch by some prescribed equation sets, however complicated those formulation could be. There is a major difference from those things to a truly intelligent creature. So to build the true intelligence is difficult. It's not something that you can write down a set of equations and declare that this is the rule that let the system enable the system act intelligently. The essential piece of this is the learning capability, which is to be able to extract knowledge from experience. To put it concretely, we arrive at the third point of machine learning. There must be some data that embodying the aforementioned empirical experience. So, put it into concrete form, to extract knowledge from experience is to analyze data and get some pattern, some trend, some functional relationship from one part of the data to the other part. That realized our idea of machine learning.